Hey guys, welcome to AI EdTech Job Seeker channel. Today, we're diving into the world of civil engineering. What is civil engineer and how to become a civil engineer, and what is job responsibilities as a civil engineer officer? I will tell you everything in this video. Please watch the video with us till the end. That's the magic of civil engineering. In simple terms, civil engineering is all about designing, constructing, and maintaining the infrastructure we use every single day. Think roads, bridges, tunnels, buildings, airports, water systems, you name it. Civil engineers are the masterminds behind these incredible structures. They use their knowledge of math, science, and design software to create safe, sustainable, and efficient structures that improve our lives. From the water you drink to the roads you travel on, civil engineers play a vital role in shaping our world. So, if you're fascinated by big projects, problem solving, and making a real difference, civil engineering might just be the perfect field for you. Now, let's talk about the education you need to become a civil engineer. The first step is a solid foundation in math and science, especially physics. These subjects will equip you with the analytical and problem-solving skills essential for this field. Next, you'll need a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from an accredited university. This typically takes 4 years of full-time study. During your degree, you'll dive deep into subjects like structural analysis, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, and environmental engineering. Many universities also offer master's and doctoral programs in civil engineering for those who want to specialize in a particular area or pursue research opportunities. Remember, a strong educational background is key to unlocking a successful career in civil engineering. Ready to map out your journey to becoming a civil engineer? Let's break it down into actionable steps. 1. Focus on math and science. 2. Earn your bachelor's degree. Choose an ABET accredited program. 3. Gain practical experience. Internships are your best friend. 4. Pass the FE exam. Passing this exam earns you the title of engineer intern. 5. Gain professional experience. 6. Pass the PE exam. 7. Become a licensed professional engineer. Congratulations. Data. Section 4. Shaping our world. Responsibilities of a civil engineer. What does a civil engineer do daily? Their work is diverse and impactful. They design and plan infrastructure projects. This includes blueprints, feasibility studies, and compliance. They oversee construction, manage contractors, and ensure safety. They analyze structures and assess environmental impact. Communication is key. They work with architects, surveyors, and contractors. Sand. Section 5. Engineering marvels, inspiring projects from around the globe. Let's take a look at some awe-inspiring civil engineering projects that showcase the ingenuity and impact of this field. First, the tallest building in the world. This soaring skyscraper is a testament to the limits that civil engineering can push. Second, an iconic symbol of engineering excellence, this suspension bridge has connected millions of people for generations. Third, this underwater tunnel connecting two countries is a marvel of engineering precision and international collaboration. Finally, one of the largest hydroelectric power plants globally, this dam provides sustainable energy to millions. These projects demonstrate the power of civil engineering to connect communities, drive economic growth, and solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. Section 6. Building your future. A rewarding career awaits. So there you have it, guys. A glimpse into the world of civil engineering. It's a challenging yet incredibly rewarding career path for those who are passionate about building a better future. If you have a knack for problem solving, a love for math and science, and a desire to make a tangible impact on the world, civil engineering might just be your calling. Remember, the journey begins with a single step. Focus on your education, gain practical experience, and never stop learning. The world needs talented and dedicated civil engineers like you to design innovative solutions, build sustainable infrastructure, and shape the future of our planet. So go out there, chase your dreams, and build something amazing.